what's up, everybody? This is Michael Mock talking to you guys of our Auto whole house remodel project. Let's go in, check it out. It's been, we're looking at week 10, so 2 months in. Let's spin this around, and I'm going to start showing what's going on. So we are fully installing cabinets this week now. Last week we were just kind of hanging out. So this week we're doing cabinet. I'm going to talk to you guys about 3 things: tile setup, tile layouts. We're going to be doing some cabinet installation, and we're also going over some sheetrocking. So let's go into this area. You see that the sheetrocking has started. This is we put a metal profile here to keep it clean profile, so it's very sharp and finished. Okay, so we got that going on. This is a little tool to smooth out the wall. You guys do this to it. That's what our guys are currently doing. You can see the drywall dust is just everywhere. That's why I'm wearing the mask part of the time, because it's really nasty stuff. You breathe it a long time. Okay, so this room, we're just storing some cabinets. Okay, so this is a secondary bathroom. So last time I was talking to you about, we were red guarding it. So we red guard this. This is a waterproofing membrane. This will then be prepped for tile. The floor was floated with cement. You can see that there's a thin layer of concrete cement that's been put on there. It is sloped. What you see, the spots there, is just the sheetrocking material. We put on some couple layers of skim coat, just build up the sheetrock to get the wall smoothed up, textured. We're going to be painting next week already. So let's go into the living room. Just tools everywhere. Got some. See, most of it's cleared out. The structural beam that was inserted here, put it here. It's running across here now. You can get a better picture of this kitchen. There's a pantry, cabinet here, refrigerator here. The mirrors the windows are put in now. Remember last time we purchased 2 windows so that they can, just one window here so that it's going to look the same size alignment. Let's go through this. So this is the island. Put the plywood down. We actually templated it already, so the countertop is going to be coming in probably the next week. This is the sink. Installing the cabinets. These are Harmony cabinets made by the Bentwood Company in Texas. Of course, you got some nice flaming hot Cheetos, I believe. Is that right? Oh yeah, flaming hot puffs. So that's getting installed today. Doing a lot of sheetrock patching. You can see nail holes are covered up. This skylight I want to share with you guys. We're currently redesigning it. It looks like the client wants maybe a bigger skylight, different skylight. We're going to see what happens, because that's going to go through structural engineering. All right, let's go to the bathroom. We got a couple good-looking guys here. They're working on the sheetrocking. Just want to share with you guys the tile setup. So there's an accent strip there. Got full tiles there. Shower head coming out here, handheld bar. This is our custom niche. The control is here, so we can go turn it on. You don't have to get in. So you can see there's what's going on. Doing the sheetrocking here. So that's what's going on this week. We were just laying tile. Next week we're laying tile, sheetrocking, getting ready for paint. So let's swing it around. Just want to recap a couple take-home lessons. 3 points right now at week 10. We're installing the cabinets. So about 10 weeks, you're looking at cabinet installs for a whole house remodel in Palo Alto. And we're doing the master bathroom tile layout. That's basically it. I hope you guys watch me next time. Please ask me questions if you have anything in mind. I will catch you guys all next time. Thank you for watching.